Okay, so I'm starting in with my transition shade in the Revlon palette. So you always want to start with, I like to kind of do something that's like my same skin tone or darker, like maybe 1 tint darker, not too much. I really don't put anything in my eyebrow area. Sometimes I will, but I typically just leave that as it is. I used to put highlighter under there, but I don't do that anymore. I do like to spray my brushes to get more pigment. I pat it on first, just because I like pigmentation, and then I'll do sweeping motions. So again, after I spray, I just pat it on while it's still wet. And then with it being wet, it also helps it to blend it out like really good. I have to clean my makeup brushes. Like, so my makeup brushes, child, with my clients, I clean their makeup brushes all day long. But with mine, I'm like, listen, because I be using so many, baby. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, so I'm a little frightened, because right now it's not looking the way I want it to look, because I gotta look in my eye, and right now it's not turning out the way she like it, so she may have to do some editing and revising. That's what we might have to do. Because she don't like it. She don't like when colors look one way on the palette and they come out different. She is not pleased with it. Now, if this come out wrong, I'm gonna be teed off. Okay now. Yeah. Wait a minute. Because she was about to put this somewhere else, and she was not gonna be happy. But she is. Now this I don't want to put like what this is, MAC Fix Plus. I don't want to put that right there. I don't want to put it on here because I'm putting it up here, and the more you have it, the brush like wet, the more product you're gonna pick up and the more product you're gonna lay down. So you have to really be careful with that. I just want to kind of build it to my liking, and when you have it like wet or whatever, you kind of don't have that option too tough, or you do, but it'll be difficult, because what you put on when it comes in, once you put, because girls that know, once you put that makeup on, and it's, especially if it's on there heavy, like black and stuff, it's on there, baby. It's on there, and you're gonna have to go through. You have to go through a testimony to be like, when you have small eyes, you have to be really, really careful when it comes down, because black can ruin the whole look. Now, black is beautiful. Don't get me wrong, black is definitely beautiful, but with these eyeshadows, too much of black. You might as well just take the whole makeup off. When you put your browns and blacks always do pretty well together. That black really allows your brown to pop out. Now, when you really just trying to blend and stuff, you ain't gotta spray, because you ain't really trying to add a whole bunch of product. You just really trying to blend it out and stuff. Looks amazing. I like it. Nah, there is, okay, I did it right. I never really did a video like this before, so and then I hadn't done makeup in a while either, So I don't know. Normally I put this on the back of my hand. I don't know what. Well, I do know what's going on with me. I'm doing a video and I'm forgetting all my little steps. And y'all don't talk about my nails because I know they look terrible. I know they look terrible. I know that before you do. This is really how I really be doing it. I really ain't trying to show y'all my fingers, but y'all gonna have to see it today. Cause I'm a perfectionist and I do not like for people to see my imperfections too tough. Cause I'm hard on myself. Not that I feel like I gotta be perfect, but that's just me. That's just who she is. I get nervous every time I do my makeup. I'm not gonna even lie. Every time I do my makeup, I get nervous that I'm going to, forgot a step, messed up somewhere. Because when it comes to makeup, I have to have it beat down. If I'm gonna do it, it's got to be done right. When you are doing shimmer shades, you do want to spray your brush, not too wet. You don't want to mess up your, your shades and stuff. So you don't want to do it too wet. So I'm gonna do this copper on the outside. Really, you know what? You're supposed to use a flat brush, but I typically, honestly, like to use a smaller, poofy brush. Well, this really ain't small. I can't find my little small poofy brush, but this gonna have to do. This Real Technique thing right here, this gonna have to do. Now, if you do with your finger too, it does pick up more. So I just spray my finger. It worked. I never did that before. I just figured, let's try it. And it definitely worked. Do one spray far away. And look crazy while doing it, but that's okay.